Hi, my name is Megan Wojciechowski, and today I will be showing and explaining a phylogenetic tree that I have created. A phylogenetic tree, like the one shown here, shows the relationship between things based on their characteristics. These things are known as operational taxonomic units, or OTUs. In this tree, the OTUs are the different sodas in the water. The water in this case is the outgroup. This means that it diverged the earliest and allows the tree to be a rooted tree, which lets us see the order of divergence, which we will now go through for this one. At the start, the tree branches off into water and sodas. This is known as cladogenesis, which is the transition of one common ancestor, which is represented by these internal nodes, into two new groups. Once a new group is formed, evolution will happen within this group over time, and this is known as anagenesis. Next, the sodas diverge into caffeinated and decaffeinated. The decaffeinated sodas then diverge into lemon and lime flavored and other fruit flavors, such as Crush, and the lemon and lime flavored ones diverge into Sprite and Sierra Mist. Going back over to the caffeinated sodas, it diverges into fruit flavored, like cheerwine, and non-fruit flavored. The non-fruit flavored diverges into root beers and colas. The root beers split off into Barq's root beer and A&W's root beers, and the colas split off into Pepsi and Coke. As you can see, as we get farther down the tree, the branches get shorter, which means that the OTUs are more closely related. So, for example, the branches between the most common ancestor of Coke and Pepsi are short. So that means Coke and Pepsi are closely related. On the other hand, the branch between the most common ancestor of cheerwine and Coke is very long. So that means these two sodas are not as closely related.